Hey guys, it's Rachel here with Sense Tempo Cane Corso, and we are at a park, a local park. It's really pretty here. There's even a lake, a little mini lake. Let me show you. There we go. So, very cool. We got the dogs here, although they're ahead of me. We also have a little creek that leads to it. Oh. What y'all looking at? Hey, be gentle. You better be gentle. Be gentle. I said be gentle. Where are they headed?
Yeah, let's go down by the water. Preacher, come on.
Oh, yep, they're in it all right.
Come on, preacher.
Come on. Tell you what, man, these are a running breed. They love to run. It's their favorite thing to do. So it's nice to have a place to take them where they can do that. Oh, and there they come.
Like horses.
Yep. Oh. Well, I'm glad he just showed us that there's water there. We're literally fixing to walk through water. Oh yeah. Go ahead and turn, go around that. Jeez, gotta keep going. Ooh, it is for my little hipster shoes right now. What? No, it's not. I'll tell you what though, it's like this the whole way, y'all. The whole way. Dadgummit, as my father would say. I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. That's another one of his sayings. Jeez Louise. Ugh. Well, just gonna have to walk around with soggy shoes. Suppose that's the price of taking your dogs out when it's been flooding, you know. They have horses in this fenced off section over here. Just can't see him right now. They got ducks. What's up, preacher? What's up, big dog? What's up, big dog? What are you doing? What are you doing midnight? Getting to make up for lost time. Not being able to get out.
They do not like this spot. It's like 4 feet deep right off the edge. Watch Preacher. Oh my gosh, it's so unfair.
Hey, preacher! Gentle! That's not okay. No, preacher!
Preacher!
No! Midnight! No! Bad dogs. Quit being a jerk. No, that was bad. You go away. You're a bad dog. Midnight! Shh.
Preacher's
Yep.
dove out there.
Hey, be gentle. Oh, look at that. Blondie stood up for herself. She's like, you better back up off me, women. What?
She just hit Midnight right in the face with her paw.
Oh.
Midnight tried to like charge her.
Yeah, she's like her mama. She will not hesitate to use a paw to defend herself. Cashmere's all about pawing you if she wants your attention. That's so cute.
Even Preacher had to break it up.
Yeah. Preacher! What'd I tell
Midnight.
you? Midnight! No! Get off of her! Midnight! Midnight! No! Get down! Get down. That's a bad girl.
Scratch her like a bull.
Yeah. You get onto her for that.
Velocity didn't like that too much.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't. Preacher is ready to enforce it, though. Tell you what. Yeah, tensions run high in female dogs. I tell you what. Oh.
So I think Velocity might have pulled her ankle or something, yeah. Yeah, something's up with Velocity.
What?
Yeah, she pulled her ankle or something.
Pulled her ankle?
Yeah, she's just barely limping.
She could have re-injured it back from whenever she hit it against that
Yep.
that chair, whatever it was that she hit it on. That bench, that park bench.
See what I'm saying? She's just not going after it.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, you should leash her up so
Velocity.
she didn't hurt herself even more.
Velocity.
Take her in and have it looked at.
Velocity, come here. Come here, girlie.
I will say she's not limping, but she isn't
Running.
running after it either. So yeah, I think we should leash her up before it does become a problem for sure. Anyway, I'm gonna leash her up and take her back, y'all, and we'll talk at you later. Bye.